Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find tutorials on the journal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. If you want to check and find different tutorials, go to the lower bar and click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the home screen. And in the first section, the journal, you can find the second button, the tutorials. Click that and you can find different videos and information. Create a new journal, design, sample, import PDF and others, and just click that if you want to check one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.